How to fix TikTok not getting views on TikTok. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then here in apps or application you will search just for TikTok. And when you found TikTok guys, just open it like this and you have to go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now go to Play Store and update your TikTok again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.